How to register China Construction Bank app. To register for the Construction Bank app of China, launch the Construction Bank app deserving of China. Once you've done that, from the bottom right, tap on Activate Mobile Token. Then, here you can see New User Registration or Activation from the very bottom. Just make sure to tap on that particular option from the bottom. Here, select the option over here. So please register if you are new to online banking and mobile banking. You want to select the second option that says register now, and then just tap on it. Here you can simply type in your account type, your document type, document number, card number, ATM PIN, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap on next option followed by other informations. Once you've filled in all the required information, you'll be able to register for the China Bank app. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.